Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 4 of How to Crochet for Absolute Beginners. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a half double crochet stitch. I have already described you how to crochet a single crochet stitch, slip knot and foundation chain tutorial. If you haven't watched those tutorials, then I recommend you pausing here, go watch my those videos and then come back so you can easily understand this tutorial. So let's get started by making a slip knot. Then make a slip knot, insert the hook into the loop and tighten the knot. Now crochet a chain of whatever you want to. So I have made total of 13 chains. Now grab your materials in this position. Normally in single crochets, we just insert the hook into the chain and pull up the loop. But in half double crochet, we normally yarn over, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain and pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain and pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is half double crochet stitch. Now work in the same stitch pattern, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now follow the same stitch pattern until you reach the end of the chain. You can see I have crocheted a row of half double crochet. Now before we turn our project, we have to work always chain 1 and turn. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch. You can see this chain 1, I will not count it as a stitch, it is my turning chain. These you can see these 2 loops, and we have to insert the hook into full stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the full stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into the full stitch, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the full stitch, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the full stitch, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now work in the same as we did in row 1. Just practice more and more until you get perfect. Chain 1 and turn your work. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the full stitch, pull up the loop, you have 3 loops. So work total of whatever rows you make. I am going to do more of the camera. I have worked total of 5 rows. So that's it. This is my half double crochet stitch. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then go and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourselves. Bye bye.